Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar, trainer here. So one of our student got placed in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
Hi, my name is SNEHA Jos and I have joined in PySpiders in the month of August, and in the first the Python class was taken by Keshav sir, and next the SQL was taken by Murli sir, and in the next HTML and CSS was taken by Umashankar sir, and JavaScript was taken by Darshan sir, and later I have joined data analysis class which was taken by Vijay sir, and also I have attended the Java classes which was taken by Alex sir, and it was very helpful for me, and I have gained many knowledge from this by joining this institution, and boot camp and presentation have also helped me for my improve my skills and everything, and
Congratulations.
thank you sir.